I'm going to show you how to change margins in WordPress quickly, no plugins, no code. You'll need to log in first, type your username or email into the first field, then your password into the second one, and click Login. You'll land on the WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Pages. When that expands, click All Pages. You'll see the full list of pages for the site. Find the page you want to edit, for example, Home. Hover over the title and click Edit. The block editor opens with your page content. Now click the block whose spacing you want to change. I'm going to click the heading that says Professional Solutions for your business because it's sitting too close to the Our Services heading above it. The block gets a blue outline and a toolbar above it. If the right sidebar isn't open, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Make sure the Settings tab is active so the block settings show on the right. Scroll down the sidebar until you see Dimensions. Click Dimensions to expand it. Inside you'll see padding, margin, and sometimes block gap depending on your theme and the block you selected. Before you change anything, remember margin is outside the block and padding is inside. If the block has a background color, margin pushes the whole box away from other elements, while padding pushes the text away from the inside edge. I set margin for space between elements and padding when text feels too close to a colored background. Now look at the margin section. If the small chain or link icon between the top, right, bottom, and left fields is on, click it once to unlink so you can set each side separately. Then click the top margin field, type 20, and press Enter. The block moves down because WordPress adds 20 pixels of space above it. I usually use 20 to 30 pixels on headings, 10 is barely visible. Click the bottom margin field next, type 30 and press Enter. The gap below the heading grows. Bottom margin is the one I use most for separating sections. Click the left margin field and type 20. You'll see the block move away from the left edge. Keep this small because large left and right margins squeeze the content. Now click right margin and type 20 as well. The block should sit a bit narrower with equal side space. For an image followed by a paragraph that's too close, click the image block, open Dimensions, then Margin, and raise the bottom value to 20. The paragraph moves down. For a button too close to the paragraph above it, click the button block and raise its top margin. The key is to select the block that needs the space, not the one next to it. For larger sections, don't adjust every paragraph, heading, and image inside. Click the parent group block. If you can't see it, open List View from the top toolbar and click the group in that list. The section gets outlined on the page. Then open Dimensions, Margin, and set a single bottom value like 40. That moves the entire section down and keeps the internal spacing intact. If you're working with columns, the same margin controls appear, but I keep left and right at 0 or very small. Large side margins inside a column's layout make the columns narrow and can cause wrapping on phones. For space between columns, use the block gap setting inside the container. While you're in a group or columns container, block gap controls spacing between blocks inside the container, not outside like margin. I use block gap for even spacing across an entire stack. If you don't see margin controls for the current block, check the toolbar above it. You may see alignment, position, or width options, but those are not real margin controls. Usually the parent group or container has the margin controls, so select that and look again. Click Preview in the top right and choose Preview in New tab. The page opens live so you can check the new spacing. Then click the mobile icon in the editor toolbar. If your theme supports responsive margin controls, you'll see a phone icon next to the margin fields. Click it and set top and bottom to 10 or 15. A margin that looks fine on desktop can eat too much space on a phone. When the spacing looks right, click Update in the top right. The button changes to Updated and the page is saved. Click View Page to open the live site. If you don't see the change, press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on a Mac to refresh. If you want to undo it, select the block, open Dimensions, Margin, and click the reset icon next to the margin value, or delete the numbers you typed. Now that the page is updated, there are 3 follow-up things. If you want the same margins across the whole site, go to Appearance, then Editor, and edit the template. Select the main group block there, open Dimensions, and set the bottom margin once. Every page using that template picks it up. If a block has a colored background and the text is too close to the edge, use padding in the same Dimensions panel, not margin. And if you need smaller margins on phones, click the phone icon next to the margin field and set 10 or 15. That's what prevents a mobile layout from looking broken. If this got your page spacing right, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.